Want to make your Outlook emails more engaging? Adding a picture is a quick way to personalize your message and grab attention. Once you're logged in, head over to the Mail section in Outlook. This takes you straight to your inbox, where you can view your messages or start writing a new one. To get started, click on New Mail. A fresh message window will pop up, ready for you to compose. Now look toward the top of this window and select the Insert tab. This tab gives you options to add different elements to your email, like attachments, tables, and of course, pictures. Click on Pictures and a file explorer will open on your computer. From here, browse through your folders to find the image you want to use. Once you've selected it, click Open, and the picture will be inserted directly into your email body. You can then adjust the size or drag it into the perfect spot to fit your message. This simple addition can make your emails more visual, whether you're sending an invitation, adding a company logo, or just sharing a personal photo. And that's all it takes. In just a few clicks, you've added a picture to your Outlook email and made it stand out. Try it the next time you write a message and see how much more engaging your emails can be. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.